You are now entering Sandwich TikTok. Hello, I'm Sandwich Dad. Now, some of the other sandwich fellas and I were chatting the other day when Jim piped up and showed us this Prudence Penny article about making sandwiches during the meat shortage in 1945 for a Bologna Eggs Benedict. That seemed right up all our alleys, so we decided to all try it together. Here's some rye bread that will soon be toast. Here's a nice bologna. All right, I've got some horsey radish, some mustard powder, couple of eggs for poaching, and then some crumb-filled butter and some milk to make a bit of a bechamel instead of a hollandaise sauce. So first things first, let's make that sauce. Melt some butter in a pan, add an equal amount of flour, and baby, you got a roux going. To that we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and some of that mustard powder, a little bit of milk, and slowly whisk that all together. Once we are down with the thickness, we will add a little bit of horseradish at the end. And there's our sauce. Now we got to fry up this bologna. I forgot to film more of that. Just cut some slits in it. We're going to make a little tornado, drop an egg into some not quite boiling water to poach it, and then onto the only plate left into the house, we're going to put our buttered rye toast. We're going to put on our nicely fried bologna in place of the Canadian bacon on a regular Benedict. Our lovely poached eggs, great consistency if I do say so myself. We're going to pour on our mustard horseradish bechamel sauce in place of the hollandaise. Pretty quick and easy to make, and looks pretty good. Looks so good I'm going to go and dig in my garden for some not quite completely frozen yet chives. And you know what? It's a pretty nice looking sandwich, actually. Not too bad. Let's take it down to the new Sandwich Dad office here. Continue to admire, away from the prying eyes of my children. Knife and fork, cut diagonally, and reveal. Straight into the taste test. A little bit messy, but a very nice sandwich. You do miss a bit of that richness from the hollandaise and a bit of that smoke from the bacon, the Canadian bacon. But in a pinch, this'll do. I hope that Jim and Barry's went as good as mine did, because this was great. Thanks, fellas. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day. I did plus it up with some bacon at the very end in honor of Barry. Sandwich Dad, good day again.